Climate change is a daunting issue no one country can solve alone. So leaders met to come up with a solution to tackle the problem, and in 2005 the Kyoto Protocol came into effect. There have been many talks since, and signatories of the protocol have promised to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions, setting individual reduction targets. But what does this mean for Jersey? Well, Jersey is a signatory through the UK with a target to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions by 80% by 2050 compared to 1990 levels. What have we achieved so far? EcoActive was launched, working with schools and businesses, setting actions each year to bring about environmental improvements, including carbon reduction. We've switched to low-carbon electricity from France, which meets over 95% of our requirements. This one move significantly helped us on our carbon reduction journey. We ran the Home Energy Scheme for 6 years, installing energy efficiency measures in over 1,700 homes. Building standards have also been updated to include much more stringent energy efficiency targets. Planting permanent grasslands and hedgerows resulted in natural environment areas increasing to cover 1/6 of the island, soaking up carbon and providing habitats for native species. We've seen an increase in more fuel-efficient electric and hybrid vehicles, which has been encouraged through our eco-friendly parking permits, meaning free parking for a year for newly registered vehicles. And we subsidise 550 electric bikes with the Car to Cycle programme. But does all this mean that we're on track to meet our target? This graph shows Jersey's historical greenhouse gas emissions and the savings that can be made. The blue line shows actual data, the red line what would happen if we carried on doing what we've always done, and the green line shows how we can meet our target by following the actions we've set out. As an island, we're making great progress and we're ahead of Guernsey, the UK and the Isle of Man. But this is just the start of our journey. We've got a long way to go. So what can you do to help our island meet its targets? There are lots of quick wins, like turning your heating down, cycling, car sharing on your commute to work, switching to low energy bulbs, or turning your lights off. Together, we can make a difference. Find out more about Jersey's emissions and what you can do to help.